Welcome to my channel again, students. Here we will discuss a few sums on Pythagoras theorem. We already come to know that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So it is say hypotenuse is written as say h. This side is suppose p. This is b. So by Pythagoras theorem we come to know that square of h means equal to p square plus b square. Square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Now find the unknown side in this triangle. This side is unknown, so it is x. Now it is given that this side is 8 centimeter, another side is 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the hypotenuse, right? Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, you can write it as square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So this is 64 plus 36 means 100. Now x square equal to 100. So what is the square root of x? X square, x means 10. X square is 100, x means 10. Therefore, hypotenuse equal to 10 centimeter. We are considering the positive square root. Since side length cannot be negative, so we are considering only positive square root here. X square equal to 100. That means if x square equal to 100, x means plus minus 10. That means x equal to 10 or minus 10. Now length of this side is cannot be negative integer, so we are considering positive square root. So hypotenuse equal to 10 centimeter. Now let us discuss question number 2. Which of the following are right angle triangle? Now here longest side is 8, measurement is 8, and other two sides are 6 and 7. Now one thing you have to remember again, in a Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That means hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle, right? H is the longest side in right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is the longest side in right angle triangle. Now in this triangle, longest side is 8, measurement is 8. So if it is a right angle triangle, we will treat this as hypotenuse. So let us find the square of the longest side. 8 square equal to 64. Now let us find the square of the sum of the square of other two sides. 6 square plus 7 square equal to 36 plus 49. That means 9 plus 6 15, 3 plus 4 7 plus 85. Therefore 8 square not equal to 6 square plus 7 square. Therefore given triangle is not a right angle triangle. Given triangle is not a right angle triangle. Since the square of the longest side is not equal to sum of the square of other two sides. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of other two sides. In this triangle, the square of the longest side is not equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That means it's not a right angle triangle. Now think about this triangle. The longest side is 10, so find the square of 10 square equal to 100. Then find the sum of the square of other two sides. 6 square plus 8 square equal to 36 plus 64 equal to 100. That means 10 square equal to 6 square plus 8 square. Therefore given triangle is a right angle triangle. Right, this is a right angle triangle, so this should be the right angle here. this should be the hypotenuse since it is the longest side. So we got that the square of the longest side is sum of the square of other two sides. So it's a right angle triangle. Now let us discuss question number 3 here. Calculate x. Calculate x here. This is a right angle triangle. This is the right angle. This side is 12. Measurement is 12. Now there are two right angles here. One is smaller triangle is here with hypotenuse 15, and in the larger triangle hypotenuse is 20. So let us name this triangle as A, B, C and D. So we have to find x means CD. Find CD. So let us do it using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, we got that square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of other two sides, right? So AC square means 15 square equal to AB square means 12 square plus BC square, right? So BC square equal to 15 square minus 12 square. So this is 15 plus 12 into 15 minus 12. That is means 27 into 3. That means 81. So what is BC here? BC equal to square root of 81. That means 9. Taking positive square root since length cannot be negative. So we got BC equal to 9. Measurement of BC is 9 here. Again, in triangle ABD, if you use Pythagoras theorem here, you got that AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. So what is AD? 20 square equal to AB square means 12 square plus BD square. So this implies BD square equal to 20 square minus 12 square. So 20 plus 12, A square minus B square, 20 minus 12. This is 32 into 8, right? So what is BD? Find the square root of this product, 32 into 8. So let us factorize this. 8 4 is 32, 4 into 8 into 8. So square root of 4 is 2. Square root of this product is 8. This is 16. So we got BD equal to 16 and BC equal to 9. So what is X? X means CD. CD equal to BD minus BC. That means what is BD here? 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9 means 7. So X equal to 7. CD means BD minus BC. You see, CD means this part. CD means BD minus BC. If you subtract BC from BD, you will get CD. CD means X. So X is 16 minus 9, 7. This is the measurement of X. Now let us do this sum. Find X here again. All these are right angle triangles. Now let us name this figure as, this is suppose A, this point is suppose B, C, D, and this point is suppose E. Now all these are right angle triangle. Now using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, you got that AC square equal to BC square plus AB square, right? Sum of the square of perpendicular sides equal to square of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse means side opposite to the right angle triangle. This right angle opposite opposite side of this right angle is AC. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now you are given AC square, that means 55 square equal to BC square plus AB square. AB means 44 square. So what is BC square? 55 square minus 44 square. That means 55 plus 44 into 55 minus 44. This is 999 into 11, right? So you can find it BC easily. BC equal to square root of 99 into 11. That means 9 into 11 into 11. That means square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 11 into 11 is 11, 33. So you got BC equal to 33 here. Now from this triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, square of the hypotenuse BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. So what is BD square here? BC square. BC square means 33 square. CD square means 56 square, right? So you got BD square, right? Now we will not do this calculation as of now, since we have to find x only. Now for using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we can use this sum. In triangle BDE, BD square equal to 63 square plus x square. Now what is BD square? We already find it out. BD square means 33 square plus 56 square equal to 63 square plus x square. So let us solve this. X square equal to 33 square plus 56 square minus 63 square. Now let us solve this. 33 square (1089) plus, you can use this as a theorem, a plus b into a minus b, 56 plus 63 into 56 minus 63. So 1089 plus, this sum is 6 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 6, 11, multiplied by, this is 6 minus 3, 13 minus 6, 7. So this is minus 7, right? So 1089 minus 7 1 is 63, 6 over 7 1 is 7 plus 6, 13, 3 1 over 7 plus 7 1 is 7 plus 1, 8. Now subtract this. 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 3 5. So 10 minus 8, 2 here. So what is x? X equal to square root of 256. So square root of this is 2 multiplied by 128, right? This is 2 multiplied by 2 into 64. That means square root of this is 2 into 8, 16. So we got x equal to 16 here, right? So thank you viewers for watching my channel. We'll discuss some more examples on Pythagoras theorem in the next class. Bye bye.